You guys, I just wanted to stop by again one more time. You guys, they had this game on sale, 4 for $16. If you are out of washing powder, better go ahead and get you some of this game. 4 for $16. Wow, looks like they have a clearance on this. Oh, this is not it. It was the first sale, but they're out. So the Tide is 2 for $11. Not really too much of a great deal. So the game is something that you might be interested in if you are looking for a deal. Peace. Thanks again for watching, sharing, subscribing, and you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like, and come on back over here if you want to see some more deals and so forth. I love you guys, and wow, that was a great deal. Somebody bought all that stuff up. But anyways, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Peace.